Sabi ko sa husband ko, I should start a vlog. And then, oh shit, record ako ngayon. I've been documenting for the past few weeks what a normal day would look like. Actually, hindi to sobrang normal day. What I'm showing you is a really good day. Typical day talaga is my 3-year-old has school in the morning. 8 a.m. yung pasok niya. Hanggang 10:30 a.m. Pero 7 a.m. nasa school pa lang siya kasi para sulit yung bayad. Joke. Hindi yun joke. But I do still have to take care of my 7-month-old baby boy. Pero medyo chill pa lang siya ngayon kasi hindi pa siya nakakalakad. So, pwede pa siyang ikulong. May mga rare times na nagpapababa yung 7-month-old ko sa crib niya. Hindi siya umiiyak. Nalilibang niya lang yung sarili niya. But the thing is, hindi ako pwedeng magpakita. Once na makita niya ako, iiyak na siya at gusto na niya magpabuhat. So, ayun na nga.
Joy.
My 3-year-old just arrived. Oh, may pangalan kasi sila, di ba? Si Ellie and si Levi. Si Ellie, yung baby girl namin na 3-year-old. Si Levi, yung 7-month-old baby namin. So, si Ellie, kakauwi lang niya dito from school.
Nalaglag. Patay, nadrahan ka na.
Mali.
Oh no. Puhuli na lang, wala akong gamal. Personal. Ay, yung sama.
Buwabalo kasi ako sa pagbigay ng vitamins kay Levi. So, hindi ko talaga na-absorb kung ano yung sinasabi ni Ellie na i-close. All this time, akala ko yung screen ng window yung gusto niya i-close.
Close open. Close open, ha? Ay, don't close the windows na. I fix it na eh. Why? Sige lang. I'm sad because you pati natira na yung gawa ko. I'm sad.
Hindi ko na rin kasi talaga alam minsan kung paano ko i-handle
Okay.
yung lack of better term, yung kakulitan niya.
Why?
And have some fun. And have some more.
I always start telling her properly and gently, and then I repeat it over and over to a point na napupuno na rin ako. So until now, I'm trying to figure that out. Minsan naglalast yan ng mga 5 minutes na naglalaro sila independently with each other.
Ellie, what are you doing? Doctor mo? Okay.
And that 5 minutes for a mom is a fucking eternity. So, ang dami ko nagawa. Usually, pag ganyan, I take that opportunity to get things done around the house. Like, tignan ko na yung assignment book niya. Tanggalin ko na yung baon niya sa baonan niya. Mag-load ako ng laundry, ganyan. Basta, nakaka-drain kasi talagang mag-alaga ng dalawang bata. Especially yung ganitong combination ng age, yung toddler and then baby. May constant kasi na tug-o-war between them for your attention.
Uy! Can you not touch the baby? Okay lang.
Mom! Can I close the window?
Paano kami ka-thunder if there's no light?
Joey!
You don't need to shout.
Can I join?
Yeah, I said yes na, di ba?
Can I? So, I also want to join.
Ano sabi?
Sit down.
Are you gonna do or are you gonna dance?
No,
Sure.
no.
Fun? Let's get the table mo.
Our house isn't aesthetic. I use diaper boxes to organize my kids' toys kasi we don't really have storage space for them anymore. And mind you, I just want to flex that I didn't buy any of those toys. Those are all given by their titos and titas and lolo and lola. Pero kapag bigay, okay lang ako. Like parang open arms, give me free stuff. But pag ako nabibili, parang lagi akong nagdadalawang isip. And, well, yes, may financial crisis kami. But it's more than the price. It's about the value of the space that it consumes in my home. That's very crucial for me because we have very limited storage and floor space. So whatever I buy should be something that is worthy of that space, girl.
Sabi mo mag-color tayo eh, ba't nag-dance tayo? Eh, kanina lang, tahimik ka dyan ah.
Yeah.
Ay, nagpupo ka ba? Ay, nagpupo nga. Naku, nabasa na yung grid.
Wait lang po.
Kapaka-car wash lang pala ako.
Okay. Ngayon na?
Oo.
Oh. Yeah. Hindi ito mabuhat eh. Hmm? What do you want to play?
So what started as a good day is now spiraling into a fetal position kind of day. I'm also trying to get things done for work. I'm starting to get irritated na tapusin. I get like that sometimes pag may gusto akong tapusin. Tipong, simple lang nun eh. Kailangan ko lang i-type to, tas i-send. Hindi ko siya magawa kasi I'm being pulled in so many different directions. If there's anything that frustrates me with being a mom, it's that. Not being able to do super simple things. As simple as putting away the dishes, turning off the fan. Iihi lang ako, girl. Hindi ko siya magawa. And when someone reminds me na, uy, pasend naman ito, or uy, patay mo naman yung fan. Parang ako, alam mo, gagawin ko naman siya kung kaya kong gawin eh.
Why am I mad? Mommy is mad because hindi ka nag-sleep.
What's making me feel bad is that Ellie absorbs most of that. Inisip ko kasi, paano ako hindi magsasnap sa kanya? Eh, sobrang overwhelmed ko na. Nahihirapan din akong mag-regulate ng sarili kong emotions. Parang meron akong internal voice na telling me na, hindi mo na naman nagawa to. Okay, -1 point for you. Most likely, I will only get 1 to 2 items out of the 10 I listed. Done. The 8 items na hindi ko nagawa is weighing down on me at the end of the day, thinking, I'm a failure. And on top of that failure is that I snapped at my kids pa. So that's guilt upon guilt upon guilt.
Ellie, come here. Sorry, I got mad. Getting mad is not okay. You just got tired.
It's not okay.
Yeah. I'm
That's
sorry.
bad.
Yeah. Sorry, baby.
Can you hug me?
Mag-wash ka muna ng hands, puro sipon ka.
So now, hindi na. I'm gonna try and detach myself. Whatever I have on my planner, listed out, na kailangan kong gawin. Kasi when I get overly attached to it, dun ako nagsasnap eh. That's a lot coming from me. Kasi I love checklists. And that's just one of the many things that any mother would sacrifice for their kids. To really give up the things that they love to do or they're obsessed with. Medyo bittersweet talaga siya isipin, sa totoo lang. But with all those things that I sacrificed and let go of, ang dami ko ring na-gain. I gained compassion, strength, patience, and understanding because of my kids. Minsan kasi, we are so attached to the tangible things that we gain or we get done, we don't really realize yung mga things that builds our character, that builds our faith. Yung mga things na hindi nakikita ng mga tao, yung mga hindi mo mapagyayabang ba? Alam mo yun? Do you see yourself na parang may more patience ka today than yesterday? Hindi. Motherhood is such a thankless job. Especially na ganito ka young na age. Kasi your kids don't know that. Parang, Mama, being mas patient ka today ah. They don't have that capacity yet to validate you. There's no one else you can get that validation from but yourself. I think if we treat our inner child with more love, compassion, understanding, and patience, maybe then it could actually help us treat our kids better. Because how we treat our inner child is also how we tend to treat our outer child. Outer child. Which is mga anak natin. But yeah, FYI.